It's trash day, so I was taking out my trash, and the lighting is so beautiful right now. Look at the bright green moss from all the rains and the snow, and it's steaming off, and it's so cool. It's so beautiful. It's so bright, and how awesome is that there's a hummingbird right above me. So cool, so much joy. And today's a great day. I just get to weld all day long, and it's totally awesome, and I totally love it. And you guys get a rare appearance of my elusive kitty cat. I rarely get to see her, but she's coming to say hi. Rarely do we get to see this gorgeous creature. Hi, you're gonna be friendly today. Hi. Have you ever wondered how artists create their art forms? If you're up for it, I'll take you with me through my artistic process from beginning to end of projects with my Looking Into the Light series. Sparking that light of inspiration and creativity inside of you is possible when you open to it. Join me in handcrafting an extraordinary life by joyfully creating with the light. I'm Stargaard, international artist and owner of Stargaard Art. The goshawk wings are well on their way. We've welded the first parts of them, and the layout is set, and we're ready to move on to the larger panels of the wings. Today is also where we determine the texture of the wings through the welding techniques, and it's just really fun welding today with all of the incredible sparkles that add to the joy of what is being done in the shop today. Oh, there's sparkles all over the whole shop line from the sun coming in from my helmet. Pretty fun. That's why I do it, because it's fun. So this type of welding is super technical and takes a tremendous amount of focus and on each and every moment and every single line. So I'm using 3/32 rod. 308, adding it into my stainless to get my feather patterns. Super straight, super clean. Welds just don't look good on this. They just don't look good. The depositing the rod on the material and allowing texture to be in that process puts me into the feather pattern, and it's super cool. Ooh, this one's still hot. Another day in my shop is another day of fun. Weld, 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 weld. Hey, do you see what's new? Same day I got that puppy, there was a big buck at the bottom. Actually, it was the day after when we were checking out and had just done a big burn pile. They were there, and he was there. Super fun. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to do something creative, because that changes things up and allows new things to come into your life, and do something fun, because that's the pathway of the divine.